to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lonseng here, and today I have something extra for you. Guess what? Today, as I'm wearing white, I just planned it. I'm going to pick some white color food items, and it's kind of a white color food challenge. I'm going to eat only white color food items in this video. So I just hope that you enjoy this food challenge with me. It's my first time doing this kind of coloring food challenge. Yeah, it's like kind of my dream from few years, 1 or 2, 3 years back. So I'm going to do it today. So let's go with us. Yeah. So I'm back from the market and I made these are the waffles. And this is the pasta. Yeah, I already took the video. And these are the popcorns. Guys, ये white color का था, इसमें butter लगने की वजह से ये yellow हो गया. लेकिन आप इसे consider कर सकते हैं white, right? And this is the milkshake. Yeah. So actually क्या हो गया? I tried my best white color का food ढूंढने के लिए, but कुछ नहीं मिला. So we'll start with the waffle. Dun, 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 dun. It's white. It's vanilla flavor. So guys, let's start. Let's begin. Because I'm getting the smell of this macaroni from that time. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ना ये जो. It's so good. Let's eat 2 of them together. So guys, are there any vanilla lover in my in my family? Just comment below. So now we are going to taste the macaroni, and we have some corn. As you can see, why it's not corn, and the macaroni. It's so good. Now we can get a taste of a lot of cheese, and you can see there's corn. Taste of cheese and corn. It's so good. I was sorry. So good, the vanilla flavor, and also because it's very crunchy. I forgot about the popcorn. Okay, I bought popcorn because I couldn't find the white food. I forgot it will turn into yellow. But anyways, it's right. I can finish everything except the popcorn. We have 6 waffles right now, and here is the 4 waffle. Let's try to eat this much. It's so good when food are good. Food are tasty. Food is love. You know, guys, I just love when I decide to have a food challenge, because I don't know why. This is so good. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं कुछ और कलर फूड चैलेंज करूँ, अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा तो surely please comment below, and if I'm mistaken somewhere, if I'm doing wrong, मतलब हम कोई गलती कर रहे हैं in my मतलब ना वीडियो, तो आप जरूर कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. We will keep it a secret. Between you and me, it's so good. Okay, I'm not going to have the straw. I'll drink like this. It was too much sweet. So good. Guys, I already showed you this packaging. You can try this, it's so good. And you don't have to put anything extra, it's all in the packet. Yes, if some of you are cheese and corn lover, the best one. So good. So guys, can you tell me, where do we eat popcorn most of the time? Of course it's in cinema hall. In the hall, movie halls. Do you guys have any other techniques of eating popcorn? I usually eat like this. We have 2 more waffles. Let's finish this. If you meet me, any one of you, I can give you a waffle treat because it's really tasty. So now let's finish the last 2 pieces of waffle. Stop. They're almost done. What is this now? Let me finish this. Ignore the voice that is going on outside. Thank you. So, this will probably, I only have this much left. Tasty. When I was a kid, my mom, if I don't eat food, my mom used to do this. It's so tasty. But this is really tasty. This is the last one. Okay. This popcorn, I'll be watching movie with one of my sister. We're going to eat it then. Why waste it, right? Anyways, I was going to eat it after the video, but I won't be able to eat it now because I'm not feeling like, I bought it myself here and I'm not feeling like eating it. But I'll eat it some. popcorns are more good with the group or in the cinema hall. You know what I'm telling? It's a good food. Thank you for the food. God, thank you for this tasty. So we are done with eating. So guys, we are done here, and I'm really sorry for the popcorn that I didn't finish. I'm going to eat it after the video. Yes, I have to eat it. So I'm going to eat it after the video. Thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for watching my video and staying to the end. I love you guys so much. Lots of love. And thank you for, yeah guys, you know what, I'm growing. I have crossed 1000 a few months ago, I think 1 or 2 months ago, and now we are in 1075 family. And thank you so much for making that happen. I love you guys so much. Please like, comment and share this video. I will be coming up with the new video in next week or maybe in few days. Thank you. Lots of love. And please take care. I love you guys so much. So much. Bye bye.